Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this problem. So uh, this is if you go to SQL 50, this is the sixth one. So okay, so what they given, so what we have to find. So ultimately, they're given two tables. One is employees and another one is employee UNI. It has employee table has two columns. One is ID and name. Another one employee UNI has ID and unique ID. So they clearly mention the ID and unique ID is combining a combination of these columns is known as primary key. Here I want to clear one concept. We think like primary key means only one particular column. It's not like that. It is a combination of multiple columns also can be happen. So ultimate definition of primary key is uh, a set of columns or individual column or single column which is used to identify a single row uniquely. So okay, so if you are able to identify the observation uniquely, then it is known as primary key. So it need not to be single column, it can be multiple columns also. Okay, so remember this point, it is very crucial in interviews. Okay, so then so coming back to the problem, so we have these two tables and they have the data set like this. There is ID and name, and after that ID and unique ID. At the end they want the output like this. What is the question they ask? Write a solution to find unique ID of each user. Okay, so user is nothing but this. Okay, unique ID, they want to find unique ID of each user. So if a user does not have a unique ID, just replace. Okay, so if the user has not a unique ID, then you have to replace that with null. So that is the question they're given. So why you have to do now, I'm telling you the approach, okay, how to solve this problem. First, they're given two tables, and also they ask you the content from this table and also this table. So you can see here, unique ID they're expecting this is from this table, and name is their name is from this table. So then you can understand, okay, how to use joins. So you, by using joins only, right, you can able to get the data. So I already covered the topics. You can just refer to SQL tutorial. There you will get to know, okay, how to deal with joins. Okay, so now so based on the outcome, so I'll get to know like, okay, I have to use join here, then which join I have to use. So here you can see they, in the question itself they asked for of each user. So that means user has to be there. So user is present in where this table. So that means left join you have to use. This entire data has to be there. The entire, the users has to be there. You can see the outcome also, all the names are present. That's why you have to, okay, you think like, okay, the entire data is there, then I have to use a left join. That is one concept you have to remember. Then what is the condition you have to frame? So at the end what you want, so they, you want unique ID and you want a name. So okay, both the tables, there are two tables, I want to get the data from both the tables, then I have to use join. Then left join I confirm because I need to get this entire data. That is for sure. Then what is the condition? What is the condition? It's like they clearly mention it is unique of in both the columns. What is the common things? Okay, I think ID is the common one, right? So here also you can see, so three is there, one is there. So three means, okay, ID is three, then you have the unique ID as one. So Jonathan has one. So this is how you have to frame the logic. Okay, so that means you have to match this employee table, this ID is equal to with employee union of this ID. Then from that you need to, the condition is this. I have to join left to join on these condition, employee.id equal to employee uni.id. If that is that matches, then I have to display this. That is the condition you have to use. Okay, let's start. So we'll see, select what are the values you want to know. Unique ID from where? Employee UNI table. First one is select dot, what you need, unique ID. Okay, okay, unique ID, comma. Then another one, what you want, name. Name is present in this table, employees table. See, dot. Then what is this? Name. So you want these two from where? From, you have to perform left join. Okay, from employees left join, employees left to join, and based on what left to join you have to give the table name, and table name is employee UNI. So this employee with this UN and on. Which condition? Condition is employees.id equal to employees UNI.id. So how to give this? Put dot and gives id uh, equal to employees UNI.id. That's it. Let's run this. See, this is the way how to write the query. This is the way how to execute and it's sorted. Okay, I hope you got the clarity. So just remember the syntax and where to give what is the format and based on what condition. You just simply observe this outcome based on that also. You can say. Okay, I'm submitting this. Yeah, so that's accepted. Okay, so that's it, guys, and we'll observe the next tutorials. Okay, we'll see the next.